The toughest skill set to master for private labeling on Amazon is product research and product selection. I'm super excited about this video because I know how hard it is to find a successful product to sell on Amazon. And I haven't been able to share as many of these types of videos because I've been making videos to include in my over-the-shoulder Amazon product research blueprint. And if you're interested in getting more product research and product selection education, definitely check this out. The information is in the description below. The key to learning and mastering product research and then product selection is to learn different techniques to discover different market and niches. Then you learn the thought process to locate potential products that you can differentiate and then qualify those potential product ideas with data. Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Today I'm using a random word generator and merchant words for this technique. All you have to do is Google random word generator and select one. I use the random word generator to give me keyword ideas. Then I enter the keywords into merchant words to see more keyword ideas and to also get search volume information about those keywords. So that tells me if that keyword has any demand. The random word generator gave me the word firefighter, so I entered that keyword into merchant words. I saw firefighter license plate with a search volume of 14,700 monthly searches, which is a decent amount of searches. So let's go to Amazon and look at the products that come up for the search term firefighter license plate and check out the data behind these products. We will run Helium 10's X-ray. And if you're interested in Helium 10, please use the link in the description below for a discounted rate. Helium 10 has a new $37 starter package that allows you unlimited access to X-ray and limited access to many of Helium 10's suite of tools. So I've run X-ray and sorted by revenue. And the niche isn't a gigantic revenue producer, but the monthly revenue totals are not too shabby. There's 6 sellers making more than $10,000 monthly, and this keyword is producing these results from license plates and license plate frames. So a hot design would allow a seller to move to page 1 fairly quickly because there's not much competition. In fact, bundling a license plate and a frame may be an easy way to take sales. You can make a listing with 3 variations, for instance. Maybe just offer the license plate alone. Then you have another variation offering the license frame alone. And then the third variation could be the license plate and frame sold as a package. The package offer will allow you to offer a product priced at $30 or more, which is the price point we try to strive for to have adequate margin to be able to run PPC. I also see sellers that haven't been in the market for long due to the low review amount on the first page. Here you have a top seller with 3,312 reviews, but 2 slots away, there's a seller selling a license plate frame with 15 reviews. This is a good sign that you'll be able to get to page 1 quite easily. We also can see in merchant words that firefighter license plate frame has 8,500 monthly searches. So that makes a license plate and frame bundle more attractive also. Let's go over to Alibaba and price the cost of license plates. I'm seeing a variety of prices from 40 cents to $5. If I were pursuing this product, I would buy the competitor's product to make sure I can match the quality of the top seller's products. I would do this before messaging Alibaba suppliers, because I want to make sure they can provide the same quality product, and I want to be able to compare apples with apples and hopefully receive good samples. Let's say the product is going to cost us $4 each, and I also only want to order 100 to test the market. Remember, we want to do a small first order, even though the cost will be more per unit. We want to make sure the design resonates first, and if we find that it does, our order will be at least 500 to 1,000 units on the next go-round. Now let's check Helium 10's profitability calculator for FBA fee information. I'll run the profitability calculator on the $21.95 license plate. From this example, our FBA fee will total $5.92, which is made up of the pick and pack fee of $2.63 and a referral fee of $3.29. That referral fee is 15% of the selling price of $21.95. The pick and pack part of the FBA fee changes according to the weight and the dimensions of the product. Okay, so we'll know pretty specifically what our pick and pack fee is going to be. The referral fee is going to change with the price that we offer on Amazon. So keep that in mind when you're doing your calculations for product selection. This is a small standard size product, which is nice because the FBA fees are low and the cost to ship will be low as well. On the screen is Amazon's small standard size, weight, and dimensions. So if you decided to bundle a license plate and a frame, you may be able to keep that bundle in the small standard size category when packaged together. Let's make sure we have decent margins to have enough money to do PPC. If the product cost us $4 and the FBA fees $5.92 at the price point of $21.95, we need to now estimate the shipping. Sea shipping costs are about $2 a kilogram. We know the product weighs about 15 ounces, and our first order is going to be 100. So that's going to be 1,500 ounces. If we convert ounces to kilograms, we are talking about 43 kilograms. So sea shipping will cost us less than $100. Sometimes there are truck fees involved because the truck has to pick up the product and bring it to the port. In this scenario, you may even consider air shipping, which you can ask your supplier to set up for you. It will be more expensive than sea shipping, but it may be worth it for the first order. Let's say it costs $250 to ship 100 units. At a price point of $21.95 minus $4 to make it, $5.92 for FBA fees, and $2.50 a piece to ship, we're left with $9.53 for PPC. Now that's a decent margin, and that margin can be improved when ordering more units, which will allow you to manufacture units at a lower cost per unit. Now, let's go to Pinterest for idea inspiration. On Pinterest, I see a similar design with a firefighter on front of the flag with the red stripe design that we already know is selling well. I see that same design with the firefighter, but without cutting off the head, is in the picture. I didn't do a lot of research to find ideas, but with a little time invested, I'm quite sure you can find a really nice design that differentiates your product from the rest. Reach out to license plate suppliers and ask them the format needed for the artwork for the license plate. And once you find a design, head over to FIVERR and find the graphic designer that can provide you with the design needed for the supplier. Another source of inspiration is to look at t-shirt designs. I typed in firefighter t-shirt on Amazon, and here's a really nice design that may be a goodie. There's many t-shirt sites you can scour for design differentiation. This is a great starting product too, because it won't set you back much to enter the market and start to master your skill set. As a total beginner, you need this experience because Amazon has a lot of moving parts, and trying your first product has a high chance of not being profitable. But it's the experience you're paying for, so this is the type of product that is perfect to try. Another part of the process that's worthwhile is to always check the lower reviews of the products you sell. This will allow you to provide better quality and maybe even give you additional ideas for differentiation. If I look at the 3-star reviews for the bestseller, it looks like they had some quality control issues with the design, where the plate looks black and the flag is hard to see. Another 3-star review is the thickness of the plate, the packaging, and it didn't come with screws. So these are golden nuggets you can easily improve to make a superior product. You will use these nuggets when negotiating with suppliers. You will verify these improvements when you are sent samples, and you will have an inspection done to make sure these improvements are done properly for your first order. Lastly, these plates could be great gifts for firefighters, so you can possibly add an insert that thanks firefighters for their service, or an insert that has a heartfelt story about heroism and bravery. You can also possibly make a packaging that gives thanks on the outside of the box, and make sure to include that box on your main product image. That's another way to differentiate and stand out against all the other sellers that just have a picture of the plate as their main image. Product research and product selection is time consuming, and there's no way around it. You have to have a differentiated product with demand and good margins to succeed with Amazon private label. If you're struggling, get my new over-the-shoulder Amazon product research blueprint at a very low introductory price. And if you want to get a product selection session with an experienced coach, check out the AOE link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please click the notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified when I drop videos. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.